Wifies is still alive. That's what you're trying to tell me? What did you do to Wifies?
You sacrificing yourself for a cause that exists only in your head. And I was unable to protect you, and I couldn't live with that. Parrot, you are the only person I care about on this server.
It's all yours.
But realistically, there's nothing you can do alone that's better than something we can do as two people.
Thank you for being my friend.
Anytime, dude.